Now that you have the Oracle database and the SQL developer installed on your computer, we can proceed with creating and populating some tables. I prepared a text file with 6 tables. This will be our database for this course. This is a database that stores data of a company that builds furniture. So we have an invoices table, clients table, products, materials, orders, and the use of the materials. And now let's copy the tables and paste them in the SQL developer. And now that we have them here, we can select all of them and run in order to create the tables in the database. We can see here in the script output that all the tables were created successfully. And if we refresh this page in the left of the developer, we will be able to see our tables in the tables folder. Okay, now let's delete those. And I also prepared a document with some insert statements in order to populate the tables. We can take all of these and paste them in the developer, select them, and then run. We can see that all the insert statements were processed successfully. We inserted data in all tables, invoices, clients, products, and so on. And now we can check that the data was actually inserted by selecting all from, let's say, A clients. Select the command, run it, and we can see all the clients that were inserted in the table clients. So now we have a database created with 6 tables, and the tables have data in them. In the next section, we will talk about the data definition language and data manipulation language and learn how to write these create statements and many more.